Hey guys, welcome to Spinning Grillers. Today we're going to show you the new hummus machine. We got them in different sizes. We have the 20 quart, 45 quart, 65, 100 and 120, which is more for commercial use. Now these have a variable speed, so you can do anything from hummus, you can do all kinds of dressings, Toum, the garlic paste, anything you guys want to make at your restaurant. Now we're going to show you the ingredients for the hummus. First, here we have some boiled chickpeas. We cooled it in the fridge overnight. We also have some ice. We got the tahini. We got citric acid. You can also use lemon juice if you don't like the citric acid, but that preserves it for a long period. And then we also have the salt. So let's show you how to start mixing it all up. All right, so now we're gonna show you how to make the hummus. I'm gonna first add the chickpea. We have the recipe on our website. If you go to spinninggrillers.com, we have more recipes online. We also have other machines, shawarma machines, gyro machines, pita ovens. So that's it. We have the hummus in there. We're gonna give it a quick mix so we can puree it. We're gonna go on the lowest speed and just turn the machine on. We also have an optional scraper. It's actually nice to clean up everything that goes on the side, so it keeps it going smoothly in the center where it blends perfectly. There it is, the creamy hummus without adding anything to it. It's silk smooth. Stop the machine. It's always a good practice to leave the scraper towards the back. And there it is. This is just the hummus blended. Look how creamy that is. All right, now we're gonna add the tahini. Add it all up. Again, the recipe is on our website, www.spinninggrillers.com. Now we added the tahini. Once we do that, we're gonna let it run for a little bit more so everything mixes up nicely. Again, I always like to start it at the slowest speed, and then we can increase it as we need it to. So now with the tahini added, we're gonna stop the machine. We're gonna add the citric acid. You can do lemon juice if you desire, whatever you prefer, but usually the citric acid gives it a little more longer shelf life. And we're gonna run it so it all mixes up. Right. After the citric acid, we're gonna add the ice. We'll turn off the machine. Gonna turn the machine back on, let it all mix up. Now we're gonna run the machine until we don't hear any more of the ice breaking up in the chopper. You can adjust the speed as you wish, but you don't want to go over number 4. That will be too high. But if you overload the machine, it has an override where it shuts down to cool off, so you won't damage any components in the machine. It'll reset automatically as soon as it cools down. Within like 20 seconds, 25 seconds, it will reset back up again and you can run the machine again. So there it is. That's the hummus with all the ingredients. We're just missing the last one. We're gonna add the salt and that will be it. And now for the final ingredient, we got the salt. We can just add it in as it's mixing. Alright guys, and there you have it. The real deal hummus. Again, it's on our website, www.spinninggrillers.com, and these are the Hummus Pro machines. We got them in different sizes. We got the 20, which is this machine right here. We have the 45, the 65, and 100, and the 120. And these are all heavy duty machines with the variable speed and all circuit protection, so you don't have to worry about it. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, and the best part about these machines, they're tiltable. So once we're done, we just have to drop it in and it's all ready to go. No more carrying pots. It's so easy. And light on your back.